In this demo video, we will be explaining the features and usage of the True RMS clamp meter by Fluke. The meter can be turned on by keeping the knob on the desired measurement mode. It can measure AC and DC voltages up to 600 volts, resistances up to 40 kilo ohms, check the continuity, measure capacitance up to 1000 microfarad, temperatures up to 260 degrees centigrade, AC and DC currents up to 400 amps, and frequency. The current and frequency measurements can be performed contactless. For the rest of the measurements, we can connect probes to the bottom of the device. The meter has buttons for turning on backlight, choosing between AC and DC measurement, and changing the unit of temperature measurement between degree centigrade and Fahrenheit. This button can hold the measured value in the display. For the DC current measurement, the positive direction of current is marked by an arrow, as you can see here. The meter can be clamped onto wires by opening it like this. The meter is clamped to a wire carrying alternating current. We'll turn the meter on by keeping the knob in the AC current mode. The setup consists of an autotransformer connected to a rheostat. We will now vary the current by changing the autotransformer output. You can see the changing current value on the display. We can also check the frequency by flicking the knob to the frequency mode. As expected, we see a value of 50 Hz on the meter. We can measure DC current in a similar manner. For that, we have already connected a DC supply to a rheostat. When you turn the meter on, you might see an offset current value as seen here. Before connecting the meter to the circuit, you should reset the value to 0 by pressing and holding the 0 button. When we connect the meter to the circuit, we see a negative value of current. We can get positive current measurement by aligning the actual current direction with the arrow on the meter. We will demonstrate how the meter can be used for measuring temperature. The temperature probe is attached to the device. When we turn the meter on, the value being displayed is the ambient temperature. The rheostat is already heated up from our previous experiment. By connecting the exposed end of the probe to the heated conductors, we can see that the temperature is around 72 degrees centigrade. We can change the measurement unit to Fahrenheit by pressing this button.